see you.
Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back to Becoming Her series. It's a new month and I'm really just wanting to just start this off by resetting my space, starting with my kitchen. I'm doing a little cleaning, reorganizing, unboxing something new, and just getting things back in order. So if you need some motivation to reset your space too, let's get into it.
A broken angel in disguise. Still searching for the version of you at my core. I swear when I find you, I'll never let you go. I swear when I find you, I love you like you know you deserve to be. You're everything, the best version of me. I swear when I find you, when I find you, put on my makeup soon as I wake up. Tease my hair out to look thick like a lace front. Got some more for healing. These scars from surgery, that's just my luck for being a woman. Oh, I tear myself into pieces just to keep the peace. The peace, the peace. Oh, yeah, yeah. Giving everyone comfort except for me. Oh,
I like starting my month with a clean space. It just helps me feel better mentally.
still searching for the version of you at my core. I swear when I find you, I'll never let you go. I swear when I find you, I'll love you like you know you deserve to be. You're everything, best version of me. I swear when I find you, when I find you, you'll be the only me I ever knew. Forget the counterfeits I outgrew. Now and forever I'll be true. When I find you, I'll never let you go. I swear when I find you, I'll make it up to you. I love you like you know you deserve to be. You're everything, best version of me. Oh, I swear when I find you, I'm gonna love me like I should've. When I find you. I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, cause they knew you from the womb, and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. I'm jealous of the seasons as they change, cause they seen you through the rain, and you ride through all their waves. I'm jealous of your coworkers all day, cause they get to pick your brain. And I know this might sound strange, but don't mention none of your exes. Erase that list, cause in my mind I gotta pretend that they just don't exist. Ain't my fault, you're tell me, babe, can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind fade. No, don't let nothing take my place. From the car you drive to the street you ride, I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish, all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. No, don't let nothing take my place. I know it sounds crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish. Oh my, it's supposed to be all mine. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish.
I'm trying to be more intentional about what I keep on my counters.
You know, baby, I've been feeling so good lately. Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah. Never knew that I would put myself out there. Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art. Never knew I had it in me. My canvas, it stayed blank for so long, but I paint with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse, my muse. It's you. It's you. My muse is you. When I'm not with you, you're always on my mind. I miss you every day, I swear it. Channeling all this energy. I'm making use of these feelings inside. Cause if I don't express it, I know it'll explode. Heart beating out of my chest. Yeah, everything I wanted for so long, but I pay with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse, my muse. It's you. It's you. My muse, my muse.
I love simple decor that still make the space feel put together.
Gifts that's so complimentary. All that was missing from the beginning, now I see it's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my music. You, this mind of mine is finally put to use. A force so strong it's all and all consuming. Without you I would lose it. My muse is you. If I allow you to stitch these open wounds while you kiss me, take a deep breath, air in my chest, counting to 3. Take a deep breath, air in my chest, counting to 3. Faith is a leap. Trusting your promise, I open up just for your release. Though I'm so fragile, your steady hands reassure me. It's scary, but I'm ready. Prepare me for surgery. Cut me open till I shed old skin. Let me show you where I'm broken so we can begin again. Cut me open till I can't deny the feeling. I feel that, I believe that. You got the tools to fix me. You got the tools to fix me. Rock me to sleep. It's your anesthesia fills my veins. I can't feel my feet. Can't understand it, just how you do what you do to me. Can't understand it, just how you do what you do to me.
Now, I have been wanting something like this to make things easier.
Feels to finally be free. Ease on my burdens, water my garden, bring me peace. It's scary, yeah, but I'm ready. Prepare me for surgery. Cut me open till I shed old skin. Let me show you where I'm broken so we can begin again. I feel that, I believe that. You got the tools to fix me. You got the tools to fix me. Baby, will you prepare me? Baby, will you prepare me? You got the tools to fix me. You got the tools to fix me. Baby, will you prepare me? Prepare me for surgery. Yeah, surgery. So we begin again. Yeah, I feel that, I believe that. Maybe I can fucking just let go. Maybe I can fucking just let. I get it, I get it. I guess I get it now. Life is taking enough from me. Think I just need security. Yeah. So crazy how anything can happen. Hedging my bets so desperately. Building sand castles on the calm seas. Looking for a guarantee. Can't get out my own way. I'm playing it safe. I'm holding so tight and choking my grace. Leaving no room for mistakes. It's the illusion of control. Can't take it with you when you go. And holding on won't help it grow. Can't take it with you when you go. Might as well learn to lose control. The sun rises and it sets every day without my help. I can just rest assured. Of course, heaven knows with you when you go.
Starting a month like this just feels right. Clean space, clear mind, and a fresh start. I'm really trying to be more intentional with my environment and in my time. Becoming her one intentional moment at a time. With that being said, I see you queens and kings in the next one.
Can't take it with you when
Y'all didn't think I was gonna leave y'all like that, did you? Girl, I'm gonna take another bath. I am tired. I'm exhausted. I did a lot today in this vlog here. But I'm gonna show you all the kitchen. Yeah, I know how I do. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna do this. This is what I be talking about. I be behind the scenes. I just started doing other things, and I just go to doing stuff because I get bored real quick and stuff like that. And by me just moving things around the house and reorganizing and rearranging it, it gives me a different vibe, different feel, and pretty much what I'm looking for to pretty much fix my craving or whatever it is that I want to do, as in if I want to go try to spend some money to get a different look. So I just switch things around so that if I can still save me some coins. And it's been working out so far. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, so this is the kitchen. I like the openness of it. I always want to try to just move this thing out the way here. I like the openness of it. Y'all know how I feel about the stuff up there. I ain't gonna lie, it's already bothering me, but we're gonna leave that up there. I'm not afraid to put it because I done did it before. So if you're new here, the refrigerator rock a little bit, but it don't rock like that to the point that something will fall. You really got to slam it. But yeah, so I like this little, create this new little vignette that I got going on and give me a little more counter space. I like all my beautiful appliances and things out. I do like this, so I can't wait till the Lord bless me with bigger space, you know, more room. I'm just not gonna pile it up, okay? I promise y'all. But soon come. But my newest piece is my blender, which I was showing you guys had different gadgets and stuff, so I could do a tall cup, a small cup, which I went with a smaller cup because I wanted the thing to still be low. Didn't want to take away from the living room area like I did before. So we got this area here. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just buying something small in a container that I have seen at Dollar Tree. It's a clear container with 3 different sections, and that's what I'm gonna use to put my teas and everything in it. I put this tray up here so it's holding and housing the oranges. I like it better. So that's how that looking. In the stove area back to what it was. And I put my little espresso towels back out because it's the color scheme, and I just love my espresso martini and stuff like that. And above here is what this looking like. I could go there and rearrange it some more. Girl, I ain't with it. I'm over it. I'm tired.